Happy birthday to Max. Happy birthday to Max. Happy birthday to... Oh, just kidding. Sorry, it's me. It's your friend, Jesse. You thought I was going to find some random video on YouTube and post and just said Happy Birthday Max, but no, I'm making my own. Okay? Because that's how we're doing it this time. Old school. Alright? None of this easy cop-out hipster comedy nonsense where you find somebody, you find on YouTube it says Happy Birthday Max. It's just some little kid singing it, and it's funny because it's just nice. Oh, it's funny. It's not me. It's just a random thing. No, we're not doing that. We're taking it back. It's me singing to you and posting it on YouTube like all those people originally did. I'm doing that. So there's nothing ironic about it. It's just straight up me wishing you a happy birthday. All right? What do you think of that? I'm sorry to get so confrontational about it, but it's important to me that you understand how happy I want your birthday to be.